Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Successful day traders are individuals who engage in the buying and selling of financial instruments, such as stocks, options, and futures, within the same trading day. They aim to profit from short-term price movements, typically by taking advantage of small fluctuations in the market. To become a successful day trader, one must possess a combination of skills, including a deep understanding of market trends, technical analysis, and risk management. Day traders must be able to analyze market data quickly and accurately, make informed decisions, and execute trades with precision and speed. In this video, we will discuss 10 habits which make them successful day traders. 1. Stick to a trading plan. Successful day traders have a well-thought-out trading plan that they stick to consistently. This includes rules for entry and exit points, risk management, and profit targets. 2. Use a trading journal. Day traders should keep a trading journal to track their trades and analyze their performance. This helps to identify strengths and weaknesses and make necessary adjustments to the trading plan. 3. Set realistic goals. Successful day traders set realistic daily, weekly, and monthly goals. They do not chase unrealistic profits and understand that losses are inevitable in trading. 4. Practice discipline. Day trading requires discipline, which means following the trading plan and not deviating from it. It also means avoiding emotional trading and sticking to the plan even during periods of losses. 5. Stay informed. Successful day traders stay up to date with the latest news and developments in the financial markets. This helps them make informed trading decisions. 6. Manage risk. Day traders understand that risk management is crucial to long-term success. They use stop-loss orders and limit orders to manage risk and avoid large losses. 7. Learn continuously. Successful day traders are always learning and improving their skills. They read trading books, attend seminars, and network with other traders to gain new insights and ideas. 8. Be patient. Day traders need to be patient and wait for the right trading opportunities. They do not rush into trades and understand that waiting for the right setup is key to success. 9. Keep emotions in check. Day trading can be emotionally challenging, but successful day traders keep their emotions in check. They do not let fear or greed drive their trading decisions. 10. Take breaks. Day trading can be mentally and emotionally exhausting, so successful day traders take breaks to recharge. This helps them stay focused and maintain a clear head while trading. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for any future updates.